Hello, Assalamu alaikum. We often use one complete prompt for a single task when retrieving answers from large language model. For example, you get or generate a product description from it, like write a generate a product description for the hiking shoes of silver color for the target audience for adventurous people in a non-enthusiastic tone. Okay, now this is going to give you a sweet, nice little description about your product. But what if you have 100 products? Will you generate for each product a different prompt? That would be a waste of time. So what you do is you use variables. So instead of the actual specific product name or product color, you replace it with variables. Variables are signified in even in programming language and in prompts too with curly brackets. You say here, write a generate a product description for product name, product color, for product people, target audience, product and tone. Okay, and then you provide it a structured data like spreadsheet, tables, JSON format of each of these product name, product colors, target audience, tone for each of the product. Like here, see, I have here a table formed of product name, product color, audience, tone as coffee maker, stainless steel, coffee connoisseur, elegant, and more. Okay, the AI is going to figure it out and make 50 product descriptions for me. I think the product 50 will be more very daunting on its context window. So let us limit generate for the first 15. Let us see what it has to give us. Coffee maker. Okay, see, brew perfection in every cup with stainless steel coffee maker. Crafted for coffee connoisseurs who demand excellence, its sleek, modern design enhances your kitchen aesthetics while advanced brewing technology ensures a bold, aromatic experience with every sip. In a flick of an eye, it has generated 15 product descriptions for us. And the best part is that you can now give it the command to continue giving the product descriptions for the next one. Just say generate for the next 15, because in this way the context window is not going to be overwhelmed as it the because your chats become a part of memory, and memory is not in the context window. You have a limit on context window, but the memory window is large enough, especially in the latest models like ChatGPT 5 and ChatGPT 4 or Gemini Pro. It have large memory while users are chatting. generate for the next 15, and here we have the next 15 product descriptions listed in a period of milliseconds. Yes, just say yes. It will understand you want the next 15 too. So now you can even say that convert all of these product descriptions in a JSON format. Okay, so in an array of JSON objects which you can pass to your code or your developer, and he will convert it into product cards on your e-commerce. You can say convert these into JSON outputs with these fields: product name, product color, target audience. No, we don't want target audience for it. We just want the product description. Okay, and here we have JSON outputs for item 31 to 45, which we can feed into digital environments in a way that is comprehensible for the machines too. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next video with another great feature of prompt engineering AI agentic foundations.